the new 2025 BMW R12 GS, a classic-inspired adventure beast. The 2025 BMW R12 GS is here, combining retro-inspired styling with modern adventure performance. Taking inspiration from the legendary BMW R80 GS, this new model features a powerful 1,170 cubic centimeters boxer engine, state-of-the-art technology, and a rugged design built for long-distance touring and off-road challenges. Retro style meets advanced performance. While the R12 GS pays tribute to its GS heritage, it is packed with cutting-edge features designed for today's most demanding riders. Fully adjustable suspension for superior comfort and handling, modular seating system for customization and comfort on long journeys, 3 riding modes, rain, road, and enduro, to adapt to different terrains, optional Enduro Pro package for more aggressive off-road riding, built for real-world exploration, designed for both on-road touring and off-road adventures. The R12 GS is a true all-rounder. Whether you're tackling highway miles or venturing onto rugged trails, its advanced electronics and durable chassis ensure a smooth yet powerful ride. With timeless aesthetics and modern engineering, the BMW R12 GS 2025 is shaping up to be one of the toughest GS models yet. Could this be your next adventure bike? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews and updates.